everyone, it's grocery haul day. Today we went to Walmart, Aldi's, and Food City. Let me turn around and show you what we picked up. Starting with Walmart, we have 2 Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar. They rarely have these. When we find them, we buy 2 at a time. Also went ahead and picked up 2 more Coke Zeros. One of the 12 packs of the Go-Go Squeeze applesauce, or the apple cinnamon. This is the one that has cinnamon in it. We usually wait till fall to get that, just because that's just the time of year that we usually seem to like this one the most, is during the fall season. 1 12-pack of the butter cheddar bratwurst. 3 Mios. We have the strawberry pineapple smash, the tropical fusion, and the acai berry storm. We also tried these. These got open while we were loading bags and buggies and things. They are the almond blend puddings from Go-Go Squeeze. We were hoping to see if they had the cocoa hazelnut. Our store did not, so let me know if yours does and if your kids try it and if they like it. We waited until we went to the national park to try it, just because it was like part of their sponsorship, or not, it was part of their like promotion thing. I was like, why don't we do that just for fun? Last time I went to the national park, we went ahead and picked up 4 pack of these and tried them, so we went ahead and just got another pack of the chocolate. I like it because my lactose-free child can have it without having to worry about there being dairy in it, and it's still an almond pudding chocolate dessert thing on the go. Also picked up 2 boxes of the kiwi strawberry propel, 1 box of the raspberry lemonade propel, 1 bottle of honey mustard salad dressing. I still prefer this for like salads and just some like salads and things like that on the side, or like for dipping for vegetables and things. And I still really like the Chick-fil-A sauce for like sandwiches and dipping chicken in and stuff like that. 1 can of the no bean chili. We were buying 2, and I said, why bother if Walmart's going to sell the big cans in their store. We also picked up 1 12-pack of the ballpark golden hot dog buns. Moving on to Aldi's, we have 3 cans of the biscuits. Now that it's cool enough to be able to use our oven again, I'm going to bake all 3 of these into 1 big batch for a biscuits and gravy dinner, and then the leftovers will be for breakfast for the next couple of days. Just makes it easier, just do it all at once. And they had the yogurts in stock this time. They didn't have them last week, they did this time. The specialty ones for fall. So there's 2 pumpkin pie, 2 apple cinnamon, and 1 maple flavored. I'll let Matt pick whichever one he wants, and then the rest of us will have the others. I'm kind of hoping he wants that one so we can all try these, because he eats his while he's at work. That's why we wouldn't be able to try his. But anyways, that's kind of what I was thinking was, I think he'll like the apple cinnamon because he usually gravitates more towards apple cinnamon. 1 pack of the oven roasted chicken breast. They have them back in the bags this week. Polska sausage, 1 dozen eggs, 2 bags of the steamable butternut squash. These make a really good side dish to, like, if you're doing like a roast or a meat, and I'll show you that in a minute, but that's why we bought it, was to go with that. And it takes 2 bags for our crew because they're actually smaller bags if you see, compared to the steamed broccoli that we also picked up. And it's that time of year, so when it's hotter on fall days, we like the cold apple cider, and then when it's cooler, we have the K-Pods for the warm apple cider. And a puppy fussing beside me. Chubby, are you fussing? We don't fuss during grocery hauls. 2 tubes of the sausage. He probably has no idea what I'm saying, but he just knows that I'm talking to him. 1 gallon of 2% milk. Mandy's are back in stock in our store. We usually, this is the fruit we gravitate towards in the colder months as well. 1 sleeve of these hash browns that need to go to the freezer. I don't remember how many is in here. I think like 24 or something like that. 20. There's 20 in here, and we can air fry these like 1 at a time, put the rest in freezer bags once we open the pack up, and can use them for breakfast and things. I thought like 1 per person to go with the biscuits and gravy would make kind of like a nice addition to it. 1 big bag of potatoes for a crock pot meal this week. They had the specialty bagels this time. They were actually frozen. So what I'm actually going to do is throw this one back into the freezer, and this one's going to stay out and thaw. This is the harvest one. It has cranberries and seeds, and then the limited edition pumpkin spice one. I'm going to freeze this and save it for Thanksgiving week, whenever things are super busy and I need some quick breakfast to get everybody through. That's what that's going to be for. A 12-pack of brioche, and also we still have a little bit of the pumpkin spice cream cheese left over from last week, so it's going to go for that. They have these in 3 packs. We have 3 kids. Perfect. So this snack pack has sharp yellow cheddar cheese, cherry juice infused dry cranberry, and sea salt roasted cashew splits. And I thought these would be fun for while we're traveling. They also had this one as well. This one has sharp white cheddar cheese, dried cranberries, and sea salt roasted almonds. So if you have a nut allergy in your family, probably not a good idea for you all, but our kids love having, they prefer like snacking on nuts than like dried fruit. Well, one of mine prefers like dried meats, like jerkies and things, but they all still love dried, or like nuts and fruit together. So I thought those would be fun for travel, and there's 3 per person, or 3, there's a 3-pack, so 1 for each of the kids. And I may also take both of them, I don't know, we'll try, we'll see. These are for 2 of the girls for a snack for today. We picked up, this one is the cheese and fruit one with the crackers. Again, we have a harder time getting our daily fruit in than we do vegetables. We just seem to naturally gravitate towards having vegetables, at least for every meal. 2 bags of sunflower salad kit, 1 bag of the Caesar salad kit, 2 of the Santa Fe salads, 2 containers of the cinnamon. I was out and needed more. 2 boxes of the 4 packs of the unsalted butter sticks, 2 containers of the heavy whipping cream, 1 bite-sized dry salami, 1 medium cheddar sliced cheese, 1 sharp cheddar, 1 mozzarella. Couldn't find the Italian this week, so I just picked up a mozzarella. 1 calcium and vitamin D enriched orange juice for the kids. 1 container of the sea salt with cashews. See, my kids love cashews. They love cashews. So another container of cashews. 2 packs of the on-the-go mangoes. 2 packs of the just like the whole thing at one time mangoes. 2 packs of the dates because it's that time of year again. 1 bag of the honey breast tenders that are frozen, and 1 bag of cinnamon brown sugar sweet potato chips. I think those are a specialty limited edition thing, and I thought that would be a nice snack for sandwiches for travel this week. Last but not least, from Food City, they had ground chuck back on sale this week, so I picked up 2 packs, 1 to freeze, 1 to not, because I'm planning on having chili coming up soon, and I don't want to go to make chili and not be able to get the ground chuck on sale. So 1 pack for this week to cook and 1 pack to freeze. And lastly, we have a pork loin. It is a very large one. I don't even remember how many pounds this is, but you can kind of see it right here. And it was $1.99 a pound this week. Oh yay, found another Aldi's bag after we finished filming all the groceries. So we have 1 spaghetti squash. We have 3 cans of, what did we pick this week? The bacon potato, cheddar and bacon, baked potato, cheddar and bacon bits. And he's loose. We also have 1 more can of pumpkin because we just used it up on the cookie recipe. If you haven't seen the video, I'll link it up here. I did a collab with some other moms making cake mix cookies, and they were awesome. We also have 1 can of the meat pasta sauce. These are really good, like if you don't have a protein to add to it, it still has a meat flavor to it. It works really well for us. I was gonna say applesauce, apple cider, none of that. It's oatmeal. The oatmeal we picked for this week is the variety pack. Again, we like this variety pack because it has the spices and berries mixed box. So yay, that's for pantry stock up. Then we'll pull the ones out of the pantry forward, and you get the drill by now if you've been watching us for a while. And the maple spice is a seasonal one that they carry. Some stores carry them year round, ours don't. And last but not least, I think, maybe, unless we find another bag, we have the baked cheese crackers. The original kind, not the extra toasty, not the extra cheddary, the original. That's it for this week's grocery haul. In the comments below, let me know what your favorite fall foods are that you have either tried for the first time this year, maybe something you always do, or just what are some of your favorite things to eat as the weather cools off. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell below to let you know whenever we upload a new video, and we will see you next time.